Hey guys, this is John from waltonsinc.com and this is Meatgistics. Few things are better than waking up to the delicious smell of frying bacon. However, if you cook it in a pan, you get splattering everywhere, and if you cook it in the oven, you're almost forced to run that clean cycle right after you're done. Recently, there's been a lot of talk about using an old trick that people use when making burgers on a stove, and that's adding water to the pan. It's supposed to reduce the splattering and make everything easier to clean up. It sounds like a great excuse to me to fry up some bacon. The idea here is based on the fact that water and oil don't mix. The oil is going to float on top of the water and the water is going to be on the bottom of the pan and preventing any of the fat from contacting the hot surface of the pan and then getting spit out. So the first step is to get your bacon in the pan before it's hot. Then, since we're cooking it in water, there is going to be a good amount of the salt that's cooked out of the bacon, so I recommend that you sprinkle something on top of it like the signature pork seasoning or something like that to combat this. Plus, it's a great way to add even more flavor to your bacon. Next, add enough water so the bottom of the pan is completely covered. You can add more to where the bacon is covered, but then you have to wait around for all the water to boil off. I tried both methods and I found the greatly reduced cook time from covering just the bottom of the pan was well worth the tiny amount of extra cleanup that's necessary. Then you can follow a fairly normal cooking process for the bacon. I started out on high around 450 degrees until most of the water had evaporated. Then I reduced the temperature down to about 380 degrees just until the bacon was nice and crispy. I was fearful that I was going to end up with something that was either totally floppy or tasted just like cooked ham, but it did retain a good amount of its flavor. Though a little less salty than it would have been if it had just been done in the pan, you can cook it up really nice and crisp. You can see here I left one somewhat floppy, I got one that's nice and crisp, and then I've got one that's just all the way crisp. So would I do this again? Absolutely. And I have been. I've been here all morning cooking bacon, just playing with this method, trying to figure a few different things out. A couple of quick tips. Thicker slices are going to work better than thinner slices. And if you want a salty bacon, you're going to have to sprinkle on a seasoning with a good salt content, something like the signature pork rub. And once the water is cooked off, reduce the heat a little bit. I did the St. Louis rump rub, and that was excellent on one of the batches. But then I did the sweet and sassy apple on the next one, and it was even better. So out of all of them, I'd say the sweet and sassy was the best. If you liked this video or found it helpful, help us out and click the like button on this video, or leave a comment down below. Plus, subscribe to Walton's YouTube channel for more great content and videos. Don't forget to tap the bell next to the subscribe button to get notified about all of our new videos as well. As always, visit waltonsinc.com and meatgistics.com to find everything but the meat. Thanks for watching. I'm John with waltonsinc.com, and I'll see you guys next time.
Subscribe to Walton's TV to watch more YouTube videos, or shop at waltonsinc.com to find everything but the meat. You can also watch more videos from Walton's TV by clicking here or clicking here.